Hi YouTube. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a dragon spinner. What you need is 2 of these dragon wings thingy. You get from the package Dragon Fight or something. And 2 of these wings. It's also from the same Dragon Fight.
Know that?
2 2x2 flats, a spinner, a ninja, and a sword. What you need to do is first you make sure it's doing the same thing again. Then you take one and you put it on. Sorry, I can't see like this. Then you take the other one and do the same. Then you take the 2 empty sides, take your dragon wing, and then put it on. Do the same for the other side.
Okay.
And then you take these things and then you put it on here.
Okay.
And do the same with the other side. And then put the sword on the ninja. Put it on it. And time for dummy time.
Dummy test.
Dummy.
Dummy test. Okay, that's mine.
Dummy. Giant dummy. Dummy. Ninja, go! And that's the dragon spinner.
Because you can't get my...
Thanks, rate, and subscribe. Bye.